Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best circular saws in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 9. Porter Cable PC300. With bevel cuts support, the PC300 is yet another great product from Porter Cable. This circular saw boasts of raw power and a host of features that emphasize superb functionality. Ergonomic, it sports innovative design to make all the effort from you and make your work as convenient as possible. It is corded powered, giving you all the power you need to rip through the softest to the hardest materials. Adapting to material sizes has never been easier, and downtime is minimized. Its low weight emphasizes portability and maneuverability to ensure accuracy when cutting. Let's see why this tool is a great sell. Ruggedly built, the powerhouse of the Porter Cable PC300 is a 15-amp main motor that backs the cutting blade to rip through the work material at blazing speed and under high tip pressure. The pure copper motor is highly efficient and lightweight to contribute to the easy maneuverability of the whole tool. Number 8. Milwaukee M18 2630-20. Cordless circular saw. Milwaukee continues its impressive trend of innovative tools designed to make convenient and quick work of DIY projects with the Milwaukee M18 2630-20. This circular saw is designed to give you off-the-grid, reliable power even when the electric odds seem against you. It comes with a host of features that emphasize minimal downtime and user convenience. Quickly adapt to the material requirement and size. Safety while working cannot be overemphasized, and this tool embodies this ideal. Also, if you have been a faithful customer of Milwaukee, you will enjoy its high compatibility with components of their other products in your toolbox. What exactly does this gadget stand to offer? Let's have a look. Number 7. Black Plus Decker Dex 300C. With double hand function, great features and then some, are what this circular saw offers. Built for power, accuracy, and user convenience, this product makes its way to the top of the scoreboard for good reason. It boasts of all the power to make quick work of cutting a wide variety of materials. Its ergonomic features are made with just you in mind and make for an efficient man-machine interface. It stands as the ideal starter circular saw for those who don't want to break the bank but still have impressive functionality on their hands. The Dex 300C does pack a punch for its size, thanks to its 13-amp main motor that provides all the torque needed to make light work of cutting operations. The motor is powerful enough to drive the blade at up to 5,000 RPM. This ensures quick cuts, giving you time to do other important things. The Dex 300C does pack a punch for its size, thanks to its 13-amp main motor that provides all the torque needed to make light work of cutting operations. The motor is powerful enough to drive the blade at up to 5,000 RPM. This ensures quick cuts, giving you time to do other important things. Backing the main motor is an electric cord that channels electric current from your mains supply. This tool also supports both plunge and bevel cuts, thanks to the extra degrees of freedom from the adjustable orientation of the shoe. It also comes with the main handle and an auxiliary handle that work in synergy to maintain superb stability when making cuts. The Dex 300C comes with a laser guidance system that creates a virtual cut path to ensure accuracy and precision, great for beginner hobbyists. Number 6. Makita 5007 megagrams. With powerful motor, the Makita 5007 megagrams is an excellent circular saw for the DIY hobbyist and veteran craftsman. Its unique design, raw power, and functionality are what make it stand out from other similar saws. It comes with a host of revolutionary features that emphasize user convenience and portability. Special materials innovatively combined make it lighter than most saws of the same power. With this tool by your side, you will make quick work of all your cutting needs, and bring your DIY projects to a close as quickly as possible. It also emphasizes out-of-the-box use. Thanks to its included accessories, the Makita 5007 megagrams is a true beast, thanks to a powerful 15-amp motor at its core. This motor provides all the torque and speed needed to slice through even the toughest materials with ease. Built with the latest technology, it is compact and lightweight, contributing to the overhandleability and portability of the tool. One of the most important features of the 5007 megagrams is its ergonomic design. The features it comes with are especially streamlined to take all the effort from you and minimize strain and fatigue. A rubber-coated main handle enables you to maneuver the device while maintaining a firm grip for accuracy and comfort. The main handle is backed by a rear handle that allows two-handed operation for improved steadiness. Just ahead of the main handle is a trigger switch that brings this device to life with a little squeeze. The trigger switch comes with a lock mechanism that allows you to keep the device running for extended periods. Number 5. TacLife TCS115A. With vacuum cleaning support, the TacLife TCS115A is a highly functional circular saw that features easy handleability and impressive power. It combines the maneuverability of light, one-handed circular saws with the sturdiness and stability of bigger models. Making accurate cuts of even complex geometries has never been easier, and a featured guidance system is there to aid novice hobbyists. Its ergonomic features take user convenience to the next level and ensure comfort for extended work periods. The TCS115A brings real value for money, thanks to included accessories. The TacLife TCS115A is powered by a 5.8 amp main motor that is both lightweight and compact. As motors take the bulk of the saw weights, they are designed to be as light as possible. The motor is made of a pure copper coil for high efficiency and can drive the blade at up to 3,500 revolutions per minute. This high speed makes for quick cuts and provides all the torque needed to rip through plastic, wood, and even metal. It drives a smaller blade than in bigger models, and hence performs on par with them, with the added advantage of improved accuracy. Number 4. Rockwell RK3441K. With trigger switch lock, the Rockwell RK3441K compact circular saw makes its way up the scoreboard, thanks to its amazing features. It is built to combine high maneuverability and portability for cutting out complex shapes that would be a Herculean task with bigger models. Its ergonomic design is made with your comfort and convenience in mind, allowing you to work for extended periods without strain or fatigue on your muscles. This item stands as the ideal starter kit for the DIY hobbyist but is easily adaptable to even veteran craftsmen. The Rockwell RK3441K stands out with its small size. Weighing in at 5 pounds, it is very light and easily maneuverable. It can be used in one hand and makes for accurate, precise cuts of even complex geometries. While bigger models boast of greater power, they suffer in maneuverability, a strong point made by this tool. Its low weight also means less fatigue from extended periods of operation. Ergonomic is one word for this circular saw. It comes with a host of features that are designed to take all the effort from you. The handle is coated with soft rubber, to improve grip and comfort when working. It also comes with a soft trigger switch that locks into position for extended work periods and is easily disengaged with the littlest of efforts. Number 3. Works WX29L. With excellent design, the WX429L is a powerful circular saw that comes with a wealth of features that emphasize functionality and portability. It boasts of impressive power with easy maneuverability for tight cuts. It is built to efficiently make the same cuts more efficiently and with lower power demand as compared to other brands. Its ergonomic design ensures ease of use and convenience for you. An extra degree of freedom is granted with this tool, enabling bevel cuts to be made. It also emphasizes out-of-the-box use, thanks to included accessories. At the heart of the WX429L is a powerful motor that drives all the action. As motors in circular saws take the bulk of the whole product's weight, their design is important. Built with the latest tech, it has a high power-to-weight ratio and is significantly lighter than many saws in the same categories. It provides all the torque needed for smooth cutting and drives the blade at up to 3,600 revolutions per minute. It drives a thinner blade too, meaning cuts are easier, requiring lesser power input. Number 2. Skill 5280-2001. With adjustable shoe, the Skill 5280-2001 is the second circular saw on our list, and for good reason at that. When it comes to impressive power and sheer cutting force, this saw is truly a beast. An outstanding product of Skill, it comes with a host of features that are specifically tailored to take all the effort from you as the user. An ergonomic design and innovative dust handling system allows for minimal downtime, maneuverability, and ultimately accuracy. The amazing degrees freedom on this tool allows for even the most complex cuts to be made with ease. All the cutting action of the Skill 5280-2001 is powered by a 15-amp motor. This compact unit provides all the torque needed to show the material who's boss and make light work of cutting operations. It is corded powered and can drive the blade at up to 5,300 revolutions per minute. This high rotation speed makes for quick, efficient cuts and saves you time to do things you love with whom you love. Number 1. DeWalt DCS-391B. Best overall circular saw. First on our list is the DeWalt DCS-391B. DeWalt just simply makes great tools, and this circular saw embodies their expertise. It comes with a wealth of features that enable you to make quick work of whatever cutting operations you have, do so with ease and convenience, and continue with your work even when there is a power outage. It boasts of impressive functionality, an ergonomic design, and an off-the-grid power supply. This saw is also versatile, thanks to an extra degree of freedom that allows you to make bevel cuts with ease. The DeWalt DCS-391B is a powerful cutting tool for a host of DIY projects. It features cordless battery power that gives you great versatility and portability. It is one of the products in their 20V Max series, meaning any batteries on another device will fit right in. The DeWalt DCS-391B is a powerful cutting tool for a host of DIY projects. It features cordless battery power that gives you great versatility and portability. It is one of the products in their 20V Max series, meaning any batteries on another device will fit right in. The powerful Li-ion battery combines low weight with high charge density. Power outages won't be your problem. DeWalt boasts of a 73% increase in cutting time with this device when compared to other products on the market.